Hello family, welcome back to my channel. It's the next day of our vacation and our second excursion. We were able to get up and get moving and get our breakfast downstairs and then off to a day of fun. In this video you will see the fun and furious ATV desert safari ride. Shout out to my girls, Jennifer and Kim. We had such a blast. Also, it was so hot in the desert, my sneakers died. And then finally, the Camel Ride with a full lunch spread and entertainment. Shout out to the men who made that fresh naan bread. That was good. We need that in the U.S. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Bye, family.
Say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I want to lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me.
Yeah, he's really holding me back. Uh-oh, someone's already falling off there. Look. No, are you serious? Yeah, she's on. That would have been big. He had to help. I need one specialist.
Yeah, this is safer.
Sir, I know how to drive. You're doing good, Kim. Jeez, this thing needs a tune-up. Oh, we're going up a hill. Shit.
No, we're not. Oh my goodness.
He's getting daredevil-y now. Look at Random up there.
We're doing it.
We are doing it. Kim, you're doing good. Fast and furious. Too fast, too furious.
Right.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of
fed us food, and then they did a performance. So this is the camp yard.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again.
They're very
Give me
accommodating.
something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day.
So here in this area, they are doing the henna.
Oh, I knew how this would
It's
end.
such a beautiful day.
Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. I wanna think about the past, crying out behind the mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die.
It's pretty. It looks good.
Come to this, that we would say goodbye.